Okay, good morning, students. Okay, today we can see the remaining part of our previous class. Okay, in our data mining and warehousing, we have seen the metadata. Okay, here let us see some of the list of characteristics of the metadata. Okay, here one of the main, some of the important characteristics is given in a form of list. Okay, let us see the list here. Okay, here it is the gateway to the data warehouse environment. Okay, a metadata is a gateway to the data warehouse environment, and it supports easy distribution and replication of content for high performance and availability. Okay, here for if you need to distribute and replicate of content for high performance and availability, we can use the metadata here, and it should be searchable by business oriented keywords. Okay, here we can search it by business oriented keywords, and it should act as a launch platform for end user to access data and analysis tool. Okay, if we need to use any kind of access data and analyze tool, we can use it as a launch platform. The metadata can be used or used as a launch platform for it. Okay, and it should support the sharing of info, and it should support scheduling options for request. Here if we need for scheduling any options according to any request, regarding to that we can use the metadata there. Okay. And IT should support and provide interface to other application. Okay, that means it should support and provide interface, how a link between some other applications, in between the data warehouse and some other application. A link can be created by using this metadata, and it should support end user monitoring of the status of a data warehouse environment. Okay, here for that we can use metadata, and it will support end user monitoring. Okay, and the next one is the access tools. What do you mean by the access tools? Here for in order to provide a business uses for decision making, there are some 5 categories. Okay, that means data query and reporting tools, application development tools, executive information system tools, that means EAS, OLAP, online analytical processing tools, that is OLAP tools, and data mining tools. Okay, these are the various tools what we have been going to see in our data mining and warehouse. Okay, here in this query and reporting tools, which is used to generate query and report. Okay, what do you mean by query? A query is a question or a comment. Therefore, generating such kind of query and report, we can take we can have 2 types of reporting tools. Okay, they are production reporting tools, which is used to generate regular operational reports. Okay, production reporting tool which is used to generate regular operational reports, and desktop report writer and inexpensive desktop tools designed for end users. Okay, here what do you mean by query and what is reporting tools? Okay, query is a a command or a query which is used to access our output using this query, and we will get after accessing the data, so we need a what, a report there. Okay, finally we will get a report regarding to the queries. And here there are two types of what, reporting tools. Okay, that means which is production reporting tools, which is used to generate regular operational reports. Okay, periodically or regularly some reports have to be generated. For that they will use what, this reporting tools may be used there. And desktop report writer are inexpensive desktop tools designed for what, end users. And managed query tools. Okay, what is there in the managed query tools? It is used to generate SQL query. Okay, here we all know what is SQL. SQL is structured query language. We are used to generate the SQL query, and it uses what, meta layer software in between user and databases. Okay, it is a layer software in between user and the databases, and which offers a point and click creation of SQL statement. Okay, that means in between the user and the application or the database, the SQL will act as a what, a mediator in between the user and the database. That means it will it is a, SQL is nothing but a query. Okay, it is according to some specific specification or identification or demographic analysis, territory management, and preparation of customer mailing list, etc. All can be done using this kinds of what, queries. That means some queries are there which can be managed by certain tools. Okay. Then on application development tools. This is a graphical data access environment which integrates OLAP tools with data warehouse and can be used to access all database systems. Okay, in order to access our graphical data, which integrates with the OLAP tools with data warehouse and can be used to access all the database systems. Okay, the database systems have to be accessed by the OLAP tools with what, the data warehouse. And here in the OLAP tools, which is used to analyze the data in multi-dimensional and multi-complex views. Okay, we all know what is two-dimensional, three-dimensional, and so on. Okay, here we are using more than one dimensional at the same time for displaying our data. Okay, for example, a particular if I need some data regarding to a company's selling or production side. Okay, and on which month it is, the on January, okay, or the first quarter of the particular year. Okay, 2015, first 2015 will may be a one dimension, and which months, okay, 2000 January to April, okay, 4 months, that is another one dimension. Within this 4 months, what is our data? Okay, on which time or which date we can specify it. Okay, so that is a third dimension. Okay, likewise we can have more than one dimensions there, or multi complex views can be used to develop what, such kinds of some data. Okay, to enable such kinds of multi-dimensional properties, it uses MDDB and MRDB. Okay, it is nothing but multi-dimensional database and multi-relational databases. Okay, multi-dimensional and multi-relation is somewhat similar, but it MDDB refers only to the more than one dimensional, and here MRDB refers to the more than one relational databases. Okay, so here these are the various OLAP tools we can be used here, and Next one is data mining tools. Okay, here it is used to discover knowledge from the data warehouse. Data and can also be used for data visualization and data correction purpose. Okay, mining tools. Mining is very important part in this in our syllabus. That we will start from the third chapter. Third, fourth, and fifth are completely mining. Okay, what is need? Already in the first class I have told what is the mining. That is digging some datas. Okay, various different kinds of datas, analyzing, filtering. Okay, that is we can say it as what knowledge discovery. Okay, discovering the knowledge from the data warehouse. That can be said as what visualization, correction purpose, and so on. Okay. Okay, and then next let us see what is data mart. Here there are some different subset of what departments will be there. Okay, on which will focus on some different subjects or selected subjects, and they are independent, used by dedicated user group. Okay, such subjects can be used by some persons or dedicated persons. Okay, that means they are similarly they are frequently doing that particular work, some work related to their work. That is a group. Okay, they are used for rapid delivery of enhanced decision support functionality to end users. Data mart is used in the following situation. Okay, here the data mart, what they mean as what is by dedicated user group. Okay, and it is used for rapid delivery of enhanced decision support functionality to end users. Okay, here it will support enhanced decision support functionality. That means banking purpose. Okay, a stock exchange, online process. Okay, even our mail. Okay, all is in a form of what our data warehouse there, and we can decide okay whether what kinds of information we need there. Okay, for the end users, and it will take if we are searching something in the Google, it will take a decision. Okay, and support us for to the end users. End users means we are the end users there. And data mart is used in some of situation here. Okay, what are situations? Extremely urgent user requirements, the absence of a budget for a full-scale data warehouse strategy, the decentralization of business needs, the attraction of easy to use tools and mind-size projects. Okay, here these are the various kinds of what situation where we have been doing the data marts. Okay, and here there are two problems. Okay, that means in our data mart, that are scalability and data integration. What do you mean by scalability? The small data mart can grow quickly in multi-dimension. Okay, so that while designing it, the organization has to pay more attention on system scalability, consistency, and manageability issues. Okay, here a small data mart can also grow quickly in multi-dimension. Okay, that means the scalability, consistency, and manageability are the main issues which have been in the data mart. Another one is what? Data integration. Okay, and next one is data warehouse admin and management. What is there in admin? The management of data warehouse includes security and priority management, monitoring updates from multiple sources, data quality checks, managing and updating metadata, auditing and reporting data warehouse usage and status, purging data, replicating subsetting and distributing data, backup and recovery, and data warehouse storage management, which includes capacity planning, hierarchical storage management, and purging of aged data, etc. Okay, here data warehouse admin and the management have to include some of the aspects, okay, which they have to be concerned. What are the various aspects here? The security and priority management. The admin have to look forward the security and the priority, though for whom the priority have to be given, okay, and how much secure be the data have to be secured, and they have to monitor the updates from multiple sources. Okay, then there are many updation will be happen daily, per it's within seconds thousands of updations will be happening there. Okay, it all have to be monitored there. And data quality checks, we have to they have to check the quality of the data. Okay, that means fake messages or fake datas, okay, that have to be filtered there. Okay, and they have to managing and updating the metadata also. Okay, that means and the management have to manage the yeah, they have to frequently update the metadata. And auditing and reporting of the data warehouse usage and status. What is the present status of the what warehouse, data warehouse? It have to be audited and what reported there. Okay, and we have purge the data. Purging means unwanted data have to be what minimized or deleted. That means purging the data. And replicating, subsetting and distributing data, whatever the data. Replicating means repeating each every time, how which kinds of data have been replicated, and what subsettings and distributing data have to be analyzed. Okay, all have to be seen there. And we have to backup and recovery facilities have to be there. Okay, once any kind of data have been lost, it should be backup. Okay, so if once that it is backup, the lost data can be recovered. Okay, and if we need to upgrade the storage management, which includes capacity planning, hierarchical storage management, and purging of aged data, etc. Okay, unwanted data have to be deleted, and we have to improve the capacity, okay, of the particular server, and how to storage for whom the storage have to be given. Okay, all had to be done by the what the admin and the management. Okay, and information delivery system, okay, it is used to enable the process of subscribing for data warehouse info. Okay, and here it will give the various information, okay, regarding to the particular what warehouse there. Okay, that is subscribing, how to subscribe into the data warehouse. Okay, that will be given in the form of information delivery system, and delivery to one or more destinations according to specified scheduling algorithms. Okay, on which where the scheduled algorithm have to be specified. Okay, that have to be uh, given as in a form of scheduling algorithms. Okay, okay, these are all the various simple topics what we have studied in our today's class. That is the list of characteristics of the metadata and the access tools. Okay, some 5 access tools have been there. How to access our data using these access tools? We can access the data there from the data warehouse, and data marts. Okay, one of the concept here is what data marts. It is a subset of what a focus on selected subjects. Okay, for that we have there are two problems in the data mart: scalability and the data integration. And here we have seen the data warehouse admin and the management, okay, and the information delivery systems. Okay, this all are this is the end of the first title in our first unit. Okay, so remaining we can next part we can see on the next class. Thank you.